guys, we're at the London Zoo today and this is the guidebook for it. And we're going to be visiting all the animals today, so we're going to bring you guys along with us.
It's that way, isn't it? The picnic. Dad, it's this way, so we go this way.
Right, straight across, Debbie.
But you can't wake up Noah. Okay? You have to
So you're going to come right up to the
come to the table.
బొమ్మలు కాదు రియల్
అడుగు అడుగు కడుగుతుంది
Can you tell Freddie what they're doing? Yeah.
For English or Spanish, that's some of the movies gay. Internet keeps playing out. Look, I thought that was... We move on to the next look. I think it's the first time. I've got a WhatsApp message for Callum. Adelaide zebra. A zebra.
Matthew? Matthew, can you bring him over here?
దానికి పైన చేశారండి ఒకప్పుడు ఇలా ఉండే
ఒకప్పుడు దీంట్లోనే అందరు ఇదంతా పడిందండి
ఇష్టం ఎక్కడ లేదా
Okay guys, this is the end of our visit to the London Zoo. We're at the penguins, this is our last stop. So make sure you subscribe, like and share and turn on those post notifications for more videos like this. Bye bye. Okay guys, this is the end of our visit to the London Zoo, but the last stop was the penguins and
Prostituta. చల్లేస్తుంది అనుకుంటా చల్లేస్తుంది అనుకుంటా
వీటికి ఐస్ ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ ఐస్ లేదు
మరి వీటికి చల్లెట్లే వేస్తుంది
కోల్డ్ వాటర్
Come on.